Hey guys, welcome to your next video. This one's on objective 7.9D, finding surface area. The essential question, how do I find surface area? If you need to pause the video right now to write that down, please do so. So a couple of vocab words we're going to go over is surface area. That's the sum of the area of each face of the shape. And a net is an unfolded model of a 3D shape. So this right here is a net. So what you have to do is essentially go through each one of these shapes and find the area for them. So this net is actually a net of a rectangular prism. So what it would look like when it's all folded back up nice and neat would look like this. So that's what this shape is right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and find the area of each shape, and then we'll go ahead and add them up to find the total surface area. So you can tilt yours to the side. I tilted mine to the side to write the numbers, so go ahead and do that if you need to. But what we're going to do right now is label each shape right here. So we're going to do A, B, C, D, E, and F. Why we do that is so we can go ahead and see which shapes we've already solved for easier. So off to the side, I'm going to write A, B, C, D, E, and F. So now we're going to look at this shape and see we're going to look at this total 3D shape unfolded in a net and see what each area is for each part of each face of the shape. So this is a 6, this is an 8. To find area of a rectangle, we do base times height, right? So it would be area equals base times height. Plug in the numbers. And area is 6 times 8. So 6 times 8 is 48. So A is 48. Now we'll look at B. Again, area is base times height. So for B, area equals 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. C. Now we don't have numbers inside of C, so it's going to make it a little more difficult. But what we do know is that you see these lines right here. These are all going to be 3, okay? So if we could label these as 3, that would help us out. So if this is 3, we all know that these lines right here are all 8. So then we just have C is area equals 3 times 8. And 3 times 8, of course, is 24. Now we'll go to D. D is actually the same shape as B. Do you see that? So we have a 6 on this side and a 3 right here. So it's the exact same shape as is B. So you can just write down what you had for B was 18. Now you have E. So you have the length of 8, or the base of 8, and the height of 6. So again, 8 times 6 was 48. And now we have F. F is the same shape, the same size as C. So if you look, you can see what C was 24, right? Because you have 8 times 3, so this is 24 also. So if you notice this, you have shapes that are the same. So like A and E are the same. B and D are the same, and C and F are the same. So you really only have 3 different dimensions on here, 3 different measurements. They're just repeated twice to make the shape a 3D shape. So that was a rectangular prism. But what you have to do now is go ahead and add it all up. So I want you to do that right here. Add them all up and then show your teacher what you got tomorrow.